Hi, my name is Jacie Pierce. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you another function I found to add a little bit more depth to my website. So what I wanted to show really quick, pull up my screen. So using this program, I can make an image for my website. So I've just created this. Let me show you how to do it. We'll start over. So when you click on design, I can go into the design studio and it has all of these different images that I can add a picture or a video to add a little bit more depth to my website. There's lots of different fun things. I liked this computer because it has the green screen in the background and I can make it rotate on my website if I want, or just, you know, kind of look cool. So this was what I chose. This is this computer. All you do is click on Upload Media, and I took a screenshot of my YouTube channel. So pull that up. This red box allows you to choose exactly what you want to show on the screen. You can scale the picture, small, big, whatever you want to do. Then you can adjust what's shown on the screen. I just want to show that I want people to come to my YouTube channel and watch my videos. So I have that in the little red box, so I know exactly what's going to show up on that screen. I scroll down here and click on Done, and then I'll have to come back up and say See Result, and it will put my picture right on the screen. Now you can see it has the option to have a GIF downloaded. You can put a video. I could put one of my YouTube videos right on this screen playing if I want. So that's kind of cool that you can do that. And you just click on download, boom, you have your image for your website, and I can show you how to add that. It's super easy, but it's kind of fun. Again, it just adds a little bit more to your website, makes your website look more unique and has a little bit more flair. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Oh, please remember to subscribe to my channel, and you can get access to more videos of ways that you can help your business and improve and get more success. Thanks. Have a great day.